Here are the top 5 mistakes saxophone players make that damage their saxophone. Neck straps break. Never trust the strap to hold your saxophone. Forgetting to secure the latches when you pick up your saxophone. Keeping your saxophone in places it could easily get knocked off, like in a chair, or stepped on, like on the floor. Pulling down on the neck when you're installing your mouthpiece. Bending keys by picking the saxophone up or holding the sax incorrectly. I see side keys that are bent by people maybe picking the saxophone up by side keys, holding the saxophone by grabbing these brass rods that are part of the low B flat, B, and C sharp keys. Those will get bent down over time. And same thing with just any of the keys picking up incorrectly. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this a little helpful, maybe entertaining. My name's Scott Reed. I'm a woodwind repair technician. I play music professionally. I buy, sell, trade, and collect musical instruments, and now I have a YouTube channel. See you next time. Hit my shit.